Brain health foods that support memory as we age. No more dementia is a tempting phrase. But science tells a calmer truth. Food does not cure dementia. Yet daily food choices can support brain function and slow cognitive decline. This story started with my grandmother. She never talked about antioxidants or omega fats. She talked about simple meals, slow cooking, real ingredients. Her memory stayed sharp longer than most. That pushed me to study why. Short hook, small foods, steady memory. Here are 7 foods linked to better brain support backed by science. Oily fish like sardines and mackerel. These fish provide omega-3 fats. NIH-supported research links omega-3 intake with cognitive support. How it works simply. Omega-3 fats support neuron membranes. This helps brain cell communication. Olive oil extra virgin, a staple in old kitchens. Mayo Clinic notes olive oil supports vascular health. Healthy blood flow supports the brain. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and arugula. Studies in Neurology Journal link leafy greens to slower cognitive decline. Mechanism simplified, vitamin K and antioxidants protect brain cells. Walnuts, they resemble the brain for a reason people joked. Research in Nutrients Journal links walnuts to improved cognitive markers. Dose note, a small handful is enough. Berries, blueberries and strawberries appear often in studies. Harvard-based research associates berries with delayed brain aging. Why they help? Polyphenols reduce oxidative stress. Eggs, especially the yolk. Choline supports memory pathways. NIH highlights choline as essential for brain signaling. Not for everyone, cholesterol sensitivity varies. Fermented foods, yogurt and kefir were common in old homes. Gut-brain connection is supported by WHO nutrition discussions. Simple explanation, gut microbes influence neurotransmitters. My personal routine, fish twice weekly. Olive oil daily, greens most days. Nothing extreme. Important reality check effects vary by dose and health status. Medical note, always consult a healthcare professional before changes. Foods are support, not treatment. Possible cautions, some foods may not suit allergies or conditions. How to use this daily build meals around these foods. Keep portions moderate, stay consistent. Tracking brain health. Notice focus, recall, and mental energy. Long-term habits matter most. Final message, memory is built slowly, not instantly. If this helped, tap like. Closing thought, honor simple food wisdom backed by science.